rests on us. Sino makakala na aabot tayo sa 30 games just after 6 seasons? Maganda at paangat ang competition. Teams are getting better and players also getting better. Nagpapasalamat ako sa ating Chairman and Founder, Senator Mpbl, sa kanyang suporta sa Liga ng bawat Pilipino. Sa mga team owners for their full support and cooperation. The vision first shared by Senator Manny to all of us has formed into something big and something special. Giving a lot of us opportunities to show our love and passion the game. This season is bringing so much excitement dahil na din sa expansion teams natin. We have Abraham Rivers led by Mayor J. Bernos, Tarlac United Force by Nino Reyes, and ang ating host po, ang Pangasinan Heatwaves sa pauna po ni Governor Mon Vico, and of course, Mayor Cesar Mpbl. Welcome po kayo sa Mpbl. We are also happy to welcome back former champion, the Davao Occidental Tigers. Of course, handa natin ang Pampanga Giant Lanterns in defending their ground. Pero lahat ng